In the late 1800s and early 1900s, one of the earliest types of wire raceway was called moulding. It consisted of two pieces of wood, a backing and a capping. The backing had two or more individual grooves for wires. The capping covered the grooves. Wires were separated by 1/2 inch for mechanical protection. The National Electrical Code required 2 coats of waterproof paint or impregnation with moisture repellent. It was prohibited for use in concealed spaces or damp locations. It was banned in some large cities by the mid-1910s and was phased out as metal molding and armored cable became available. Armored cable was first listed by Underwriters Laboratories Incorporated in 1899. It was originally known as Greenfield Flexible Steel Armored Conductors. It appeared in the 1903 National Electrical Code with 2 initial versions, AX and BX. BX eventually became the standard name. It became a registered trade name of General Electric. Armored cable made after 1959 requires an aluminum bonding strip under the armor for improved conductivity. It is still a popular wiring method today, described in Article 320 of the National Electrical Code.